If you find this video interesting or helpful, be sure to subscribe and click that like button. There are several possible ways to install a Schluter Kerdi shower. However, even though this method may require a bit more time and skill, it's certainly the best and most cost-effective method. The product used in this demonstration is Jamo's floor mud. Floor mud is one of the more consistent products to use, and is much easier to smooth than its competitors, and trust us, we've tried them all. In this demonstration, a concrete curb was laid prior to the video, which is an important step in producing a better and longer lasting shower, especially when compared to the stryofoam Schluter Kerdi curb or even the stacked Kerdi board. The drain used in this project is a no-hub version, which has been set to about 3/4 of an inch off of the slab to provide the best stability. To dry pack, we start by setting the heights at the corners of our shower to best establish an outer edge height of about 1¼ inches. This gives you a 1/4 inch per foot fall to your drain. Once you've completed these steps, check to make sure that everything is still nice and level in all directions. We'll now begin filling in areas between your points, packing to a medium density, and gradually raising the height to about 3/4 inches to match the height of our drain. It's also important that you pack underneath the drain too. Not enough to cause it to bend, but just enough to ensure that your drain will properly be supported. It's extremely important to ensure that you have no dips or humps in your finish, or this can affect how well your water will drain. You can now smooth out the top by flat troweling it the same way that you would concrete. Make sure not to force any movements unless you feel a need to in a low spot area. Once you've completed a section, place your level on it to ensure that you have proper fall, and that there are no valleys or pits under your level that could cause water to hold. Remember, your tile is going to follow the contour of this slope, so make sure it's properly tapered to the drain. Be sure to subscribe and click that like button to stay up to date on any of our future projects.